Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the H3 Smartwatch, and on this video we are going to explore one of its smart features, and that is the Bluetooth music control function. So we have this functionality here, the Bluetooth music. So we'll check this one. Let's see if it will work with our popular apps here. So we have the YouTube Music, and Spotify. Let's see if it will work with these applications. So if you are interested to see the Bluetooth music control function of the H3 Smartwatch, watch this video, and again, support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's start and explore the Bluetooth music control function of our H3 Smartwatch. Let's start first with Spotify. With the case of Spotify, we are going to remove or mute the sound here to avoid any copyright issues. Then, let's open the Bluetooth music control function. Then, let's try to play a song here. Let's see if we'll see title here. Then, okay, so beat yourself, and as you can see here, we have the title of this song. Okay, let's see if we can go forward. Yes, it works. Not home. Next, and stop. Does it work? Yes. Then play. Then next song. Next. Then let's increase the volume. Yes, as you can see here, it works. So it works with our Spotify application. Very good so far. Next, let's have the YouTube Music. The same setup. We'll mute the sound here to avoid any copyright issues. Let's have the first one. We do have an ad here. Then next, Def Leppard. Next song, Where Are You Now? Yes, it works. Next, stop. Play. Next, go back, and stop. Increase the volume. Yes. Decrease the volume. Everything works here for our YouTube Short or YouTube Music application. Okay, so we have the title of the song. We have the volume control. You can go forward and go backward and stop the sound. Okay, very good so far. Again, with our H3 Smartwatch, and so far the connection is very smooth. Okay, no lag at all. Next, let's have the YouTube application. With the YouTube app, I guess we can listen to the sound now. And let's see if it will work. Let's play with this one. We have an ad. Let's wait for the ad to end. Okay, skip survey, and we have here, and as you can see, the title here changes. Next. So it works. Go back. Okay, we don't have a previous video. Next. Stop. Play. And next video. So it works perfectly with our YouTube application. The H3 is compatible with the Bluetooth music control, or the Bluetooth music control of the H3 Smartwatch works perfectly with our YouTube app, the YouTube Music, as well as the Spotify application. If you have any questions regarding the demo here, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.